Welcome everyone. I, Kritika Manglik, volunteer of AFRS, is going to present on the topic of forensic science laboratories in India. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the introduction of forensic science laboratories in India, their history, about the DFSs, types of FSL in India, CFSL and their organization chart, SFSL, RFSL, MFSU, division FSLs, administration, duties of forensic scientists, and conclusion. Let's begin with the introduction of forensic science laboratories in India. It is a critical institutions that provide scientific analysis and expertise to support law enforcement and the criminal justice system. These specialized facilities employ advanced techniques and technologies to examine evidence collected from the crime scenes such as fingerprints, DNA samples, firearms, and digital data. The findings from forensic analysis are then used to assist investigations, identify suspects, and provide expert testimony in court proceedings. India's forensic laboratories operate under the guidance of Central Forensic Science Laboratory, which oversees several central facilities across the country. Additionally, there are numerous state and regional forensic labs that work in collaboration to ensure the highest standard of evidence proceedings and analysis. History. The history of forensic science laboratories in India traces back to the establishment of the first forensic science laboratory in Calcutta on July 1, 1952, which was initiated by Dr. B.C. Roy, the former Chief Minister of West Bengal. This laboratory marked a significant step in integrating scientific methods into criminal investigations. Initially, it focused on biological and toxicological tests, expanding over the years to include various forensic disciplines. The growth of forensic science in India continued with the establishment of additional laboratories, including central forensic science laboratories in various cities, enhancing the capacity for forensic analysis across the nation. Today, these laboratories play a vital role in supporting law enforcement and the judicial system through scientific evidence analysis. They have developed to integrate modern technology and procedures in response to the changing worldwide context of crime and forensic science. DFSS, the Directorate of Forensic Science Services, which was established in year 2002 following a bifurcation from the Bureau of Police Research and Development, BPRND. It serves as a nodal organization under the Ministry of Home Affairs aimed at promoting best practices in forensic science to enhance the criminal justice system. The founder director of DFSS was M.S. Rao. DFSS oversees several central forensic science laboratories across India, which include various forensic disciplines such as DNA analysis, toxicology, digital forensics, ballistics, physics. The mission of DFSS is to provide high quality and credible forensic services, ensuring timely and reliable analysis to law enforcement. Various parts of forensic science laboratory in India. There are 8 central forensic science laboratories, 32 state forensic science laboratories, 106 regional forensic science laboratories, 552 mobile forensic science units are available in our India. CFSL, Central Forensic Science Laboratory. They are the national level laboratories which comes under Ministry of Home Affairs that offer specialist knowledge in a variety of forensic fields. These organizations' motive is to provide high quality and reliable forensic assistance to the organization chart. Under the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Directorate of Forensic Science Services controls 8 FSLs in India. CFSL Jammu and Kashmir, CFSL Bhopal, CFSL Chandigarh, CFSL Delhi, CFSL Pune, CFSL Guwahati, CFSL Hyderabad, CFSL Kolkata. Firstly, we are discussing about CFSL Kolkata. It is the first and foremost leading forensic institution which was founded in the year 1957 under the authority of Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs and Government of India. It's have an area of expertise for biological sciences. The jurisdiction of this CFSL contains the state Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Second, the CFSL of Hyderabad. It was established in year 1967, which was located in Ramanathapuram from 1982. It's an area of expertise for chemical sciences. The jurisdiction of this CFSL is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Lakshadweep, Karnataka, Kerala, and Puducherry. Now comes to CFSL Guwahati, which was established in year 2011, and the jurisdiction of this CFSL is the 8 northeastern states of India: Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and Tripura. Now comes to CFSL Chandigarh. It established in year 1972, and the laboratories was accredited by National Accreditation Board for test and calibration of laboratories in the year 2005. The jurisdiction of this CFSL is not northern regions like Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Uttarakhand, NCR, and Haryana. CFSL Pune, which was established in year 2011, with through research and academic conversation, the center hopes to create greater awareness for today's security. The jurisdiction of this CFSL is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, Daman and Diu, and Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Now comes to CFSL Bhopal, which was established in year 2011, and the jurisdiction of this CFSL contains Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Rajasthan. CFSL Delhi, which was established in year 1968, and this lab primarily works under Central Bureau of Investigation, which is known as CBI. The CFSL undertakes scientific analysis of crime exhibits referred by the CBI, Delhi Police, other judiciary and vigilance departments of ministries and state or central government departments. CFSL Jammu Kashmir. Union Home Minister laid the foundation of this CFSL in district Samba in Jammu, which was specialized in the extraction and examination of digital devices, chemicals, explosive, counterfeit money, counterfeit cards, fingerprints, and DNA collected from the accident scenes. It would also assist the investigative organizations SFSL, State Forensic Science Laboratories in India, are the essential components of the forensic science framework in India, providing critical support to law enforcement agencies and the judicial system. Each state has its own SFSL, which operates under the respective state government, and they play a vital role in crime investigation and justice delivery. In total, there are 32 state forensic science laboratories across India, along with union territory forensic science laboratories. SFSLs are responsible for examining evidences collected from crime scenes, including biological samples, firearms, and digital data. They provide detailed forensic reports that assist in investigations and can be presented in court as expert testimony. SFSLs work closely with local police and other law enforcement agencies to ensure timely and accurate analysis of forensic evidence. SFSLs conduct scientific examination of physical evidence, including fingerprints, blood samples, and drugs, to support criminal investigation. Forensic scientists from SFSL often testify in court, explaining their findings and methodologies to judges and juries. SFSLs provide training and capacity building programs for law enforcement personnel to enhance their understanding of forensic science applications. For example, State Forensic Science Laboratory in Kolkata, West Bengal, was first established in year 1952 in India. State Forensic Science Laboratory Bhubaneswar, Odisha, one of the oldest, and established in year 1962. State Forensic Science Laboratory Raipur, Chhattisgarh, which was established in year 2002. and with many more state forensic science laboratories, which was established in every state. RFSLs, Regional Forensic Science Laboratories, are vital components of the forensic science framework in India, providing essential forensic service to support law enforcement agencies and the judicial system. These laboratories operate at a regional level, ensuring that forensic expertise is accessible to various states and local jurisdictions. There are 80 regional forensic science laboratories across India, which may vary slightly based on state setups and requirements. RFSLs are responsible for the examination of evidence collected from the crime scenes, including biological samples, firearms, and digital evidences. They provide forensic analysis that aids in criminal investigation and can be presented in court as expert testimony. RFSLs work closely with SFSLs and local law enforcement agencies, ensuring timely and accurate analysis of forensic evidences. RFSLs are manned by trained forensic scientists, ensure the quality, consistency, and integrity of forensic studies. For example, the Regional Forensic Science Laboratory of the government, city of Delhi, is situated in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. Meets the criminal justice needs of the police and districts of New Delhi,
South Delhi, and Southwest Delhi. MFSLs, Mini Forensic Science Laboratories. They are smaller, localized forensic facilities designed to provide essential forensic services closer to crime scenes. They aim to enhance the efficiency of criminal investigations by processing evidence on site or nearby. MFSLs serve as a bridge between local law enforcement and larger forensic laboratories, ensuring timely forensic analysis. They are particularly beneficial in rural and semi-urban areas where access to full-scale forensic facilities may be limited. Their key functions are evidence collection, assist in collecting and preserving evidence from the crime scenes, preliminary analysis, conduct initial forensic assessments to guide investigations, training and capacity building, provide training to local law enforcement personnel in basic forensic techniques, enhancing the skills of officers in evidence handling and processing. Technological features equipped with advanced forensic tools, including mobile forensic kits for on site analysis, work in conjugation with central and state forensic science laboratories for a seamless flow of information and evidences. Many forensic science laboratories are crucial components of the forensic landscape, providing essential services that enhance law enforcement capabilities. By addressing challenges and leveraging technological advancements, MFSLs can significantly contribute to the future of forensic science and the justice system. There are various types of divisions in FSLs in India. First, biological and serological divisions. The biology and serology division within forensic science laboratories is essential for analyzing biological evidences collected from crime scenes. This division focuses on identifying and examining biological materials to aid in criminal investigations and legal proceedings, like DNA analysis, conducting DNA profiling from biological samples such as blood, saliva, and hair, utilizing techniques like PCR and STR analysis to generate DNA profiles, biological evidence examination like analyzing body fluids to determine the presence of blood, semen, or other biological materials.
Physics division.
Identifying species from biological samples to differentiate between humans and non-human evidences.
Examination and analysis of
Conducting
physical
tests
evidence
to identify blood types and other serological markers using
This division focuses on the
immunological techniques to
identification,
detect specific
comparison,
proteins in
and
biological
source
samples.
determination of physical evidence,
Providing expert testimony in court regarding
like
the biological
examination of
evidences
tool
analyzed.
analyzes tool marks on physical
Examining
evidence
trace
to
biological
identify
materials
the
such as hair,
specific tools
fiber,
used
and
in a
plant
crime.
materials for
Soil and glass analysis compares soil and glass samples from
microscopy and
crime
chemical
scenes with
analysis
samples
to
from suspects
match
or other
trace
locations
evidences.
to establish connection. Examination of telegraph cables, X-ray radiography examination of envelopes, cartons, letter bombs, and other covert items together with cash, plot tickets, and other items. Interpreting deleted or modified numbers on vehicles, bicycles, or other guns, typewriters, and telemarkings. Ballistic division. The ballistic division plays a vital role in forensic investigation by examining firearms, ammunition, and related evidences to establish connection between suspects and crimes. Firearm examination, identification and comparison of firearms, including small arms and homemade firearms. Assessment of the serviceability and working condition in firearms. Examination of various types of ammunition, including bullets, cartridge cases, and VATs. Identification of ammunition type, make, and caliber. Linking fire bullets and cartridge cases to specific firearms. Analyzing GSR, which is gunshot residue on clothing and skin for shooter identification. Examination of targets involved in shooting incidents to gather evidences. Conducting chemical tests for firearm discharge residue to support investigation. Identification of detonated or diffuse explosive devices to know their origin and mode of operation. Chemistry division. The chemistry division in forensic science laboratories is responsible for the examination and analysis of chemical substance related to criminal investigation. The division plays crucial role in identifying and quantifying various materials that can provide evidence in legal cases, analyzing substances such as narcotics, alcohol, acids, and hazardous chemicals, conducting tests to determine the composition and concentration of chemical substances, identifying and quantifying illegal drugs including opium, heroin, cocaine, and methamphetamine, analyzing cannabis products and other psychotropic substances, measuring blood alcohol concentration BAC in cases of driving under the influence and related incidents, examining residues from the fire scenes to identifying ignitable liquids and accelerants used in arson cases, analyzing trace evidences such as fibers, paints, and glasses to establish connections between suspects and crime scenes, analysis of dyes, paints, and inks, testing soil, water, and water samples for hazardous substances and pollutants. Toxicology division. Here, biological specimens are analyzed for the presence of toxic substances, including drugs and poisons. Identification and evaluation of toxins and poisons are done in bodily fluids and tissues, which is essential in situations when poisoning is suspected. Separation and identification of poisons and other harmful ingredients from food and beverages. Detection of methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol from blood and urine in the drunkenness cases. Figuring out the blood alcohol content, which is important when it comes to driving under the influence. DUI charges, offenses involving alcohol. Cyber Forensic Division. The Cyber Forensic Division in forensic science laboratories plays a crucial role in investigating crimes involving electronic devices and digital devices, like extraction and analysis of data from various digital storage media like hard disks, USB drives, CDs, DVDs, and flash drives. Examination of mobile devices and smartphones for data recovery and analysis. Memory forensics to analyze the volatile data from computer memory dumps. Examination of dangerous software to determine its nature, source, and effects. Analyzing server, firewall, and other network devices logs to find security lapses and track down activity. Multimedia forensics to analyze audio, video, and image files. Internet forensics to track emails, social media, websites, and cloud storage. Fingerprint division. The fingerprint division is a crucial component of forensic science laboratories, focusing on the analysis and comparison of fingerprints to aid in criminal investigations and identification processes. Analyzing fingerprints collected from the crime scenes and comparing them to known prints. Identifying unique patterns, ridges, and minutiae in fingerprints to establish identity. Gathering latent fingerprints from crime scenes by employing a variety of methods, including chemical fuming, powder dusting, and sticky tape lifting. Automated fingerprint identification system by utilizing AFRS for the storage, retrieval, and comparison of fingerprint records. Entering tinprints and demographic information into AFRS for efficient searching and identification. Document division. Document division is a specialized unit within forensic science laboratories that focuses on the examination and analysis of question documents. This division plays a crucial role in verifying the authenticity of documents and identifying potential forgeries or alterations. Examining handwriting samples to determine authenticity and authorship. Comparing question documents with known samples to identify similarities and differences. Analyzing signatures on documents to confirm their legitimacy. Utilizing techniques to detect forgeries or alteration in signatures. Analyzing the composition of inks and papers to determine their origin by conducting tests to differentiate between inks used in different time periods, examining printed documents for inconsistencies, or analyzing typewriters and printers to match documents to specific machines, providing expert testimony in court regarding document analysis findings. Lab administration. Firstly, the lab attendant, then scientific assistant, scientific officer, senior scientific officer, assistant director, deputy director, additional director, and the director. Duties of forensic scientists. Forensic scientists play a critical role in the criminal justice system by applying scientific principles to analyze evidences from crime scenes. Their duties encompass a wide range of responsibilities, including crime scene investigation, responding to crime scenes to collect and preserve evidences, documenting the scene through photographs, sketches, and notes, evidence collection and preservation, collecting various types of evidences, ensuring proper handling and preservation of evidence to maintain its integrity. Laboratory analysis, analyzing evidences in the laboratory using various scientific techniques, utilizing advanced technologies like chromatography, spectroscopy, and microscopy. Documentation and reporting, preparing detailed reports of laboratory findings and analysis, documenting methodologies and results to ensure transparency and reproducibility. Expert testimony, providing expert testimony in court regarding the analysis and significance of forensic evidences. Research and development, engaging in research to develop a new forensic techniques and improve existing methodologies. Working closely with law enforcement agency, legal professionals, and other forensic experts to support criminal investigations. Upholding ethical standards in all aspects of forensic work, including confidentiality and impartiality, ensuring that personal biases do not influence scientific findings. Conclusion. Forensic science laboratories in India play a pivotal role in the criminal justice system by providing scientific analysis and expert testimony in legal matters, establishing the aim of enhancing crime detection and ensuring justice. These laboratories have evolved significantly since the first one was founded in Kolkata in 1952. Although a lot of progress has been achieved, more work has to be done to fully realize the potential of these laboratories. These tasks include addressing persistent issues, including lack of standardization, resource restrictions, and case backlogs. The key to propelling progress in the area of forensic science in India will be to embrace innovative technology, improve collaboration, and raise public awareness. Thank you.